Disclaimer. All stunts in this video are done by professionals in a controlled environment with safety precautions. Do not try this at home.
Guys, we have made it to Chillidogg's compound. Oh, what the hell? Wait, guys, we'll talk right now. We'll show you guys something real quick. Check it out. That Chillidogg was gonna do a burnout pit at his house, but guess what, guys? It's been about like 4 months that he said that he was gonna do the burnout pit, guys. So guess what? He ended up doing the pit. As you guys know too, I don't know if I explained to you guys too, but we ended up putting a new motor on the OG, something spicy. Literally a last minute thing to coming out here on 4th of July. Yes, guys, I'm sorry. There's not gonna be a 4th of July video at my house because you guys know it got crazy last year. We didn't even get a haircut. Jaden didn't even get a haircut. We need a haircut. We're about to put the OG guys in the pit. And we started testing. The push rods we put in there were not it. So now we got some new different push rods. And I think they're right here. These are the old ones, I think. These guys, little things right here. Alright guys, we're about to go in right now and test the OG. And guys, like I said, big shout out to this man right here, guys, Chris Tunes. You guys, it sounds like a Corvette. Check it out, watch. Started acting up, and I was like, wait, the truck feels super boggish, like real bad. It went in good, but then it started being super boggy, and I was like, something's wrong with it, guys. So we did this little trick when we put some water on the headers to see if they're turning on. Number 2 on the coil pack was not working at all. So like I said, guys, big shout out to Chillidogg. He has some coil packs in the back on the motor. All right, guys, so we're testing the OG right now, and guys, we got a little overheated. Not the truck, but me, myself, and I. So we jumped in Oso's truck right now, guys, trying to cool down. We have the AC on. The AC was not actually working on this truck on the way over here. And big shout out to Chris, the tuner, guys. On the little computer, it's crazy. I didn't know you could go on the computer and mess around with the tune, and then you start seeing the AC, how much PSIs it has in there. And he's like, bro, drop it down, it has too much. So guys, we ended up doing that, and the AC works in his truck now. So we got some cold AC in the mob. Oh yeah, we chilling in here. It's good or no? Oh yeah. Ready to go? No, hombre, amigo. Échale agua, no te la tomes. Ahora sí aprendió o no aprendió. Let me see, look. It's on now? Yeah, it's getting hot, it's getting hot. It's getting hot better. Oh yeah. And it's like a little boggish, huh? But no pasa nada, guys. We got the tuner right here. In-house. Right now he's gonna go. And actually his laptop's in there too. Hey, on the way we here got hot, so it wasn't working on. But now it is. Hey, from here, from Cali weather to here, what wins? Cali. All right, guys, so we're about to go test it again. Let's go. Hey, the one that came off. I already know it because it started getting hot right away. Look, what did I tell you? And then the power steering went out. So I know the power steering was...
Oh, look at the tensioner. Tensioner. You know,
Oh, damn. There's a spring right there, look.
Yeah, no, blue, wow.
It's kind of hot, but well, guys, looks like we need a tensioner. And look, my windows over there. The tensioner's over there. I think it probably came loose. No, did it break off?
No, it broke off. The tensioner broke off.
Primo, what you think about that?
Well, let me show you guys something. You see how those brakes are smoking right there? That's because he's on the brakes, not on the gas. He's on the brake.
Yeah, but there's no brakes at all. It's still not stopping. I'm trying to make it stop, and then plus, yeah, I forgot I didn't put B85 again. That's right. When I try to go, yeah, there's no 85, guys. We gotta go put some 85 right now.
Vanessa goes, I didn't know the pit was way over here. I said it's not. He's fucking going outside the pit.
Oh. All right, guys. Meanwhile, I'll go try to get some parts. Go enjoy some Burnout. Check it out. tensioner that we got from the other motor over there is still holding up. But yeah, runs. Truck is running A1. Oh yeah, we're at 19 gallons. Yeah, guys, this truck was literally low. That was low. Because it's only like a 22 gallon tank. 22, 23 gallons, I think. Swear, it clipped at 20 gallons? Yeah. Literally, look, right at 20. Oh, it's because it probably something because that's how many funds I have left in my car, bro. Mira mi cuenta de banco, güey. So 20 gallons plus another 2 more. Yeah, it was literally dry. It was super dry. If you guys need a tune, if you guys are basically anywhere, make sure you get my boy Chris Tunes. I'm gonna put Instagram right here, guys. Make sure to give him a follow. And every follow actually works because, you know, once you follow somebody and then you start building something later on, if you're not a car guy and in a year you start seeing someone else, not just me, but someone else's channel, and you become a car guy, and then now you build yourself an LS car, LS engine, or Holly, or whatever, HP tuners, whatever it is, guys, then you're like, oh damn, I need a tune now. But guess what? You're gonna go back after like you follow this guy about a year, 2 years ago, and you'd be like, oh, I remember Chris Tunes. So you go back to Chris Tunes, and it all works together, guys. You know, we give him that follow. He literally hooked me up on the tune, guys, on the truck, and then it's a circle, guys. It's a big circle again. But yeah, guys, we're gonna finish feeling right here, and then we're gonna go back into this mileage straight going to Chillidogg. Then Chillidogg, guys, at Burnout Pit. So for now, let's go. motor additive do you have in there? Like Pro Charger, Boog, like what are you boosting? What's your boost level or what? Am I like, huh? Bro, it's all motor. He's like, no, bro, this sounds like it's boosted, like it pops. And I was like, bro, it's all motor. He was like, that's crazy. Guys, I'm telling you, want a tool like that? Make sure you hit on my boy Chris too. This guy, A1. And then guys, of course, we do have our boy Josh. Like he's more Holly. We got my boy Josh, guys. RLS3. He's injured right now. Pero no pasa nada. He's in recovery mode right now, guys. I think his foot got messed up. Pero no pasa nada, guys. He's recovering right now. But he does more HB tunes. So if you guys need more like street tunes and stuff like that, guys, a lot of all motors, or he does cab stuff too, you know. I'm gonna put Instagram right here too, guys. We gotta give love to all the tuners. Everybody out there, guys. Literally, everybody puts a little piece of their sauce towards smoke them as my trucks, you know. We got Chillidogg in there right now. Look at him go! Look at him go! You can't park there! You can't park there! I'm the parking enforcement! You can't park there! Guys, we can take it off and keep going. Yeah, we're about to take it out right now. Guys, look what we got also in the bin right now. They're actually on tuning mode right now. You got Chris inside there. I think it's jumping gears or something like that. Okay, okay. Hey, sir, I think we need a lockout on first or second, bro. Yeah. Bro, you can't park there.
Jesus Christ. What
you
the
can't
fuck
park
are you
there.
doing?
You can't park there. Look at it, guys. This is badass out here. Yeah, I think you need spark plugs, guys. Not spark plugs, spark plug cables. What happened, Chillidogg? The brakes went out, huh? Yeah.
The brakes are done.
No, hombre. Hey, I'm gonna tell you something though. Remember about the rap? You told me, hey, I need someone. You're a badass rapper. I need a rap so he can design a rap and put a rap in my truck. You know my rapper's actually here, right? My boy Gles. He actually came from California to the event here. Last minute. He's right here, on time. Guys, miren que vino acá el evento hasta San Antonio, mi compa Gles. ¿Sí o no, viejo? ¿Se dejó caer la greña o no? Hey, that's my rapper right here, bro. He came all the way from California. Pero no nomás tiene una troca que quiere rap, sería como unas 3, 4, ¿no?
Son dos camionetas de esas. Tengo una AT4 2025 ocupo de mi tapa, igual que la de Ismael. Ya ves que tiene de mi tapa allá. La Yukon de mi esposa. Tengo el trailer rosita todo.
Guys, if you guys need a rap, make sure to hit my boy Gles. We're gonna put his Instagram right here, guys. Make sure to give him a follow. Los vamos a dejar ahorita que hablen un ratito a ver qué se puede hacer. Gles, va a tener un pinche SEMA allá en California, Alright, guys, let's go check on the truck right now and let's go back in there. Fuga, let's go. We're going in con el compa Gles. Vamos a hacer un pinche SEMA ahorita. Fuga. custom. That's the underground. That's the underground. That's the underglow, guys. It's hot out here. Una foto. Sí, no, así. Ah, yeah. Fuck you haters. Yeah. This is. I like this big, because you know why? Tires last forever. Let me see how much tire I got. Yeah, bro, they're so good and I feel good. Guys, literally, these tires are probably like 20% when I literally bought them. They're still hella good. And we've been in there for like, I don't know how many times. We let it cool down. We're going to go back in there right now, guys. Almost 30 seconds. We're going to go.
10 seconds later.
We gotta go back in again, guys. Se me hace que ya se enfrió.
The power steering. Turn it on.
I think that banda or that tension we put on there was a little too tight. That's what happened. It's Primo's custom with the Z. He's Primo's custom with an S.
I'll put it on though.
We got, guys, we got Chillidogg going in now with the semi. I need a power steering pump, and I think there's a motor that has it, so I'm gonna go check and see if it has it. If not, we're at stop. All right, guys, I'm gonna slide Oso's truck right now. I want to check out the new tune that Compa Chris put on there. fully locked up or nothing like that. But it does hella good. It just literally throws you. At first gear, when it jumps into the second gear, bro, it's just like, whoa. But I'm gonna lie, I hate that truck. That speaker box is like, for me guys, I'm big guys. I'm like this. I can't control it. I'm trying to have it like. But other than that, guys, truck works perfectly fine. Tell him what you got going on. Tell him.
Guys, go to my Instagram right here, or here, I don't know where he's gonna put it. I got a badass giveaway that we picked up here in San Antonio, Texas. Like
It's a badass fucking truck, I'm not gonna lie.
It's on bags, it's tubbed all the way around, 5.3, custom interior, paint job, on billets, 26.
Guys, we're only putting this giveaway here because I'm getting paid $5,000 from Primo. Alright guys, you forgot the drop, ready? Drop. Alright, but guys, make sure to enter the giveaway he got going on right now. And for now guys, now we can swing Primo's truck. Let's go. Oh, that's look at this. Show him, look.
Hey, it might be in gear.
Let me see. What are these for? Her Primo turn these on and off.
Flip the switch down again, the big red one, and go back up.
You gotta put the other ones up too.
No.
No? You sure?
Kill my fucking battery.
Ain't got no gas in it.
It's race car shit, he doesn't understand.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, you're gonna, right now? We're gonna burn out in the truck?
No. That piece of shit can burn out.
Whatever goes in the burn up, it has to go now. Where's Primo at? Primo, what was the last time you done spark plugs and oil change and the whole shebang bang?
The last show, but having that much power, I should probably do it,
Yeah, that's a lot of power in that motherfucker.
about every hour and a half.
And I'm gonna say too, I think you have to bleed the clutch line, bro. Yeah, because I put it all the way in and I put it in reverse and she was already rolling back and I'm like, no.
I never had an issue with it.
I know.
If he puts my clips in the video from today, me and this motherfucker got down.
No, it's because
his own son said that he was proud of me. So.
But he wants you to spin around my truck.
Oh, around the truck? Well, my truck is down, the pulley came out. Primo, you want to spin around the truck? So put some tires, you can spin around this truck? I wouldn't trust that, but I'm just saying.
I don't give a fuck. I pay for everything, so it don't matter.
Oh, Primo, you do it around the truck. Just do like 2-3 dollars around, right?
Yeah, that's all I want.
Primo, you got this, Primo. This is going to put us in the test that you got it.
Oh my.
It'll give me a reason to repaint it, so I'm not worried about it. She wants it pintada, so, fuck it.
You have to pay for everything, right? You pay for everything, you have to.
Hey, happy wife, happy life,
Yeah.
Okay. It is what it is.
So we got some tires out, and alright guys, in the next clip you can see that truck getting photoed right now. Alright guys, we got Primo right around the truck. Oh, look at nice truck. Oh yeah.
Parking spot.
Oh, you found a parking spot? Hell yeah. Alright guys, it is a peg leg, but it's very nice. It's one tire though, look. ¿Sí jaló, Primo? You did say it was a one peel, right? One peel.
Yeah, one pill.
Pero no pasa nada.
Keep
On the next event, when we come here, it's gonna have a build diff.
Oh, yeah.
or welder diff. Lo que caiga.
I got a built diff for it, but it's just.
And then we're gonna put a bigger motor and everything.
Motherfucker built in the backyard, bro.
Hell yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, my boy Oso's truck got you on the beat though, right?
Huh?
My boy Oso's truck got you on the beat.
Hey,
Oso shit's loud, huh?
I don't know about that yet.
Ah, he got you on that
Hey,
one.
he might have me in the beat, but he ain't got me in the vocal though.
Oh yeah.
See that? Big Mac Wizzo, siempre tumbado.
With the drizzle, you know, that's right.
Y fajada traigo la glow. Si respetan, respeto doy. Humilde siempre sí.